guys, so for today's video, let's talk about real-world context involving arithmetic, sequence, and series. Would you mind if you follow me to the drive-in cinema? Let's see a problem here. Armani is working in the drive-in cinema. One of his tasks is to deliver the orders of the customers. His boss said that Armani will deliver orders of all the customers in rows 4 and 7. His coworkers said that there are 47 customers in the 9th row and 35 customers in the 6th row. How many orders does Armani needs to bring in order for him to save time in delivering the orders of the customer? Let us solve this problem. To solve this simple problem, you need to first identify the given. So, ang given na hatag sa atong problem is a sub 9, which is 47, and a sub 6, which is 35. The first step that we need to do para ma-solve nato si rows 4 and 7 is to find their common difference. It is the most easiest way because the common difference is naay formula daan. The formula for our common difference is a sub y minus a sub x divided by y minus x. If you would see in the alphabet, the first letter is x, next after is y. It's same here in arithmetic sequence. The first position and term should be written on the x, and the last term or position that is given in the problem should be written on y. So, if we will write the formula based from our given, we can have this. And if we solve that one, we could get 12 over 3. Simply, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Means that our common difference is 4. After determining our common difference, we now need to solve for the first term, which is a sub 1. To solve for this, we should let a sub 6 be equal to our last term using the general formula. So, it will be now 35 is equal to a sub 1 plus 6 minus 1 times our common difference, which is 4. Next, 35 is equal to a sub 1 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times 4. 35 is equal to a sub 1 plus 20. Transpose 20 to the other side so that a sub 1 will remain at the place. So if we subtract 35 minus 20, our a sub 1 is 15. But John, can I use a sub 9, which is 47, in order for me to solve for the first term? Good question, Armani. Yes, you can use a sub 9, which is 47, to solve for the first term. Because if we still solve our a sub 9, which is 47, it will also result to our first term, which is 15. The next thing we do, because we already find our a sub 1, we're going to find out our fourth term and our seventh term. Simply following the general formula of arithmetic sequence, we will find the fourth term and the seventh term. Let's find first the fourth term. A sub 4 is equal to 15 plus 4 minus 1 times our common difference, which is 4. A sub 4 is equal to 15 plus 3 times 4. A sub 4 is equal to 15 plus 12. So therefore, our a sub 4 or the fourth term of this sequence is 27. Let's go now to the seventh term. A sub 7 is equal to 15 plus 7 minus 1 times 4. A sub 7 is equal to 15 plus 6 times 4, which is then equal to a sub 7 is equal to 15 plus 24. Therefore, a sub 7 is 39. The next thing What we need to do is to add a sub 4 and a sub 7, since in the problem it said how many customers are there in rows 4 and 7. If we add a sub 4 plus a sub 7, we could get 66. So therefore, our money needs to deliver 66 orders in order to solve or save time. Gets? Now, let's go to the school. I want you to solve this problem. Pause the video and try to solve this problem. Let us now solve the problem. So our given is we have the third term and the sixth term. A sub 3 is equal to 40. A sub 6 is equal to 46. It explains that when we put the formula in a sub y minus a sub x divided by y minus x, we have the result of 46 minus 40 over 6 minus 3. Again, reminder, what comes in the first sequence will be put in the x, and what comes last in the sequence that is given in the problem will be put in y. That is why 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, our common difference is 2. Let's now solve to find a sub 1. Let's let a sub 3 be equal to a sub n. So it will become 40 is equal to a sub 1 plus 3 minus 1 times 2. 40 is equal to a sub 1 plus 2 times 2. 40 is equal to a sub 1 plus 4. We need to transpose positive 4 to the other side so that a sub 1 will remain at the place. So if we subtract 4 to the other side, we could have 36 as our a sub 1. Since we already found our first term, it is time to find the eighth term. We have a sub 8 is equal to 36 plus 8 minus 1 times 2, resulting to a sub 8 is equal to 36 plus 7 times 2. A sub 8 is equal to 36 plus 14, having the answer of a sub 8 is equal to 50. To solve the problem, we will add a sub 1 and a sub 8. So we have 86. Therefore, Professor Asibar needs to prepare 86 worksheets to deliver the worksheets easily.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.